Top 5 Best Electric Tricycles for Adults. Number 5. MotoTec Electric Trike 48V 500W. The MotoTec has the best electric trike reviews and is the perfect way to get around town. With a 48V 500W motor, this trike can reach up to 20 miles per hour speeds. This electric trike also features a remarkable handbrake, highly rated LED headlight, and a large rear cargo rack. The 48V battery gives you plenty of power to go the distance, and the twist throttle makes it a breeze to get up to speed. For 12V 12Ah batteries, I have had a great experience with the MotoTec electric trike. The motor power is fantastic, and the brushless hub motor is very efficient. The battery life is also great, as I have gotten 4 12V 12Ah batteries which have lasted a long time. Overall, I highly recommend this product to anyone looking for a great electric trike. High weight capacity and blasting speed, these best electric tricycles are perfect for my daily commute to work, and I can quickly get up to 22 miles per hour on it. The max weight capacity is 240 pounds, and the battery life is fantastic. I've only had to charge it once in the 2 years I've owned it. The charger is included, and it's straightforward to use. Climbing ability and wide comfortable seat, I have found that this tricycle is an excellent choice for those looking for an electric tricycle that offers a good range per charge and quick recharge time. The climbing ability of this trike is also outstanding, making it an excellent choice for those who live in hilly areas. Its seat is wide and comfortable, and the front wheel is the perfect size for maneuvering around tight spaces. Benefits: the three-wheel design makes it stable and easy to ride. Electric power makes it environmentally friendly. Its removable seat makes it versatile. This tricycle's LED headlight make it safe to ride at night. Carrying basket makes it convenient to transport item. Drawback: not suitable for long-distance travel. Coming in number 4. TopMate ES32 Best Electric Tricycles for Adults. I was excited to try out the TopMate ES32, one of the best electric tricycles bikes. This electric scooter is perfect for adults who want to get around town without dealing with traffic or public transportation. I also appreciate the critical switch and LED display, which make this electric scooter easy to use and keep track of. Reverse easily and adjustable 3-gear speed. The 3-gear speed is handy, and I love how easily it reverses. The adjustable rate is also great. I can control the speed freely, and it's effortless to use. It is convenient if you need to go back for something or if you want to take a different route. The reverse gear speed of this bicycle is up to 3 miles per hour. Easy to carry and LED display. I'm impressed with this electric tricycle's easy to carry and LED display feature. I was hesitant to purchase an electric tricycle because I wasn't sure how easy it would be to carry around or how clear the display would be. However, I'm glad I went with this trike because it's effortless to carry, and the display is noticeable. I recommend this electric tricycle to anyone looking for an easy-to-carry and LED display option. Upgraded pneumatic tires. Due to the larger pneumatic tires, the vehicle has improved road passing ability and more legroom is available due to a shorter seat-to-ground distance. I can't believe how much easier it is to get around on this thing, and I admire that I don't have to worry about pedaling. Benefits: a folding electric mobility scooter is easy to transport and store. Rides are smooth thanks to the 10-inch pneumatic tires. Its reverse function is handy for maneuvering in tight spaces. Tricycle's key switch and exceptional LED display make it easy to operate. Tricycle design is stable and easy to ride. Drawback: due to its manufacturing method, it cannot be used for long-distance travel. Coming in number 3. DWMEIGI 3-Wheel Best Urban Electric Tricycle. If you're looking for the best urban electric tricycle that can handle just about anything, then the DWMEIGI 3-wheel electric bike is perfect. With a powerful 750-watt motor and a 48V 18.2Ah battery, this bike can tackle any terrain, uphill or downhill. The fat tires make it easy to maneuver, even on the roughest terrain. And if you need to carry any gear, the front and rear baskets are perfect for hauling everything you need. Detachable lithium battery. The 48V 18.2Ah detachable lithium battery provides an extra long range of up to 45 miles per charge in pure electric mode. I've found that the battery lasts even longer in PAS mode, so I can easily commute to work or go on longer rides without worrying about running out of power. The bike charges quickly, too, just 4 to 5 hours with the 48-volt 3-amp supercharger. Bafang motor and Shimano shifter. I have been using the Bafang motor and Shimano shifter for a while now, and I have to say that it is a fantastic combination. Powerful motor and a convenient shifter make it easy to change gears. I have used this combination on different roads, which has worked great. The bike is also effortless to ride, and the fenders and rear rack make it even more convenient. Sturdy and low-step frame. I have been using this 3-wheel electric bike for a while now, and I love it. The sturdy and low-step frame is perfect for riding on any terrain, and the large basket is great for carrying all my belongings. The bike is also simple to ride, and the waterproof bag is perfect for keeping my belongings dry in any weather. It's been an excellent bike for shopping, traveling, fishing, camping, and taking my pets out. Benefits. The 3-wheel design makes this electric bike more stable than a 2-wheel bike. With its 750-watt motor, the bike can reach up to 20 miles per hour speeds. The bike has a 48-volt 18.2 amp-hour removable lithium battery, which makes it easy to keep charged. The Tricycle's 20 inches by 4.0 fat tires make it easy to ride on all terrain. For carrying groceries or other items, this Tricycle has front and rear baskets. Drawback. The bike is not foldable, which may make it difficult to transport. Coming in number 2. TopMate ES31 Folding Electric Tricycle. I love the TopMate ES31 Folding Electric Tricycles for adults. It's straightforward to fold up and store in my trunk. The motor is powerful enough to get me up to speed, but not so powerful that it's hard to control. I can easily cruise around town at a leisurely pace. The brakes are also very responsive so that I can stop on a dime. 15 to 18 miles on a single charge. It's easy to get around, and the 3-speed settings are great. I can easily adjust the speed to suit my needs, and the battery life is impressive. It allows me to quickly get around 15 to 18 miles on a single charge, which is perfect for short trips. Overall, I couldn't be happier with my purchase and highly recommend this scooter to anyone. 3 shock absorbers. As compared to previous models, the TopMate ES31 electric tricycle is much easier to reverse. There are 2 suspension shock absorbers in the rear wheels, while the seat has one, making the tricycle more stable when riding. More stable and easy to carry. There is a longer rear axle on the latest scooter version, which helps make riding more stable. This electric tricycle also adopts a foldable design, making it easy to carry. It can carry a weight of up to 100 kilograms. Benefits. These mini trikes are very lightweight and can be easily transported, making them perfect for travel. Your ride can be customized with 3 different speed settings via the key switch. In tight spaces, the scooter's reverse function is helpful. On the scooter screen, you can see your current speed and battery life. The scooter folds up for easy storage. Drawback. The scooter is not well suited for rough terrain. Coming in number 1. Viribus 24 inches electric trike for adults. I tried out the Viribus 24-inch 26-inch 3-wheel electric assist tricycle, and I'm fond of this electric bike. The bike rode smoothly, and the motor was powerful. The motor is potent and makes it easy to get up hills. I could easily adjust the seat and handlebars to my liking, and the bike basket was the perfect size for carrying my belongings. Maximum range of 21.7 miles per charge. I have been using the Viribus 24-inch 26-inch 3-wheel electric bike for adults for a while now, and I love it. The motor is powerful and can drive the trike up to 15.5 miles per hour, which is perfect for me. I can also use it in hybrid mode to assist me with my exercise or turn it off when I want to stretch my legs. With the battery's range of 21.7 miles per charge, I am more than satisfied. Convenient cargo space. I appreciate the convenient cargo space on this 3-wheel electric bike for adults. These best electric tricycles allow me to easily store all my belongings in the rear basket without worrying about them getting in the way or becoming a nuisance. I also appreciate the user-friendly design of the bike. The LCD is very easy to read and monitor, and the battery is easy to detach and recharge. 3 riding options: I can ride it like a traditional bicycle with pedals, or I can turn on the motor and ride it like a motorcycle. There's nothing better than having the option of exercising or relaxing. The bike is well made and rides smoothly. I would recommend this tricycle to anyone. Benefits: seniors will find it easier to pedal with the electric motor. A 250-watt motor provides good power and torque. The 3-wheel design makes it more stable than a 2-wheel bike. An adjustable seat and handlebars make it more comfortable to ride. It comes with a basket for carrying items. Drawback: the bike is not suitable for long-distance riding.